Welcome to the meditation for manifesting your perfect partner. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, with your spine straight and your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let your body relax with each breath, releasing any tension or stress. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine that you are standing on a beautiful beach with soft, white sand under your feet. The water is crystal clear, and you can hear the sound of the waves gently crashing against the shore. The sun is shining down on you, warming your skin, and the light breeze is blowing through your hair. You feel safe, peaceful, and content. Take a moment to appreciate this beautiful setting and the sense of relaxation it brings. Feel yourself becoming more and more at ease with each passing moment, and allow your mind to drift into a state of calm and serenity. As you begin to feel more relaxed, imagine a figure walking towards you along the beach. This is your perfect partner. The person who is supportive, romantic, understanding, caring. As they approach you, you feel a sense of joy and anticipation growing inside you. Take a moment to appreciate their presence, feeling grateful and excited to meet them. As your perfect partner comes closer, they take your hand and lead you along the beach. You feel comfortable and safe with them, as if you've known each other for a long time. It's a very beautiful feeling. This is exactly what you've been looking for. As you walk, you notice the little things your partner done to make you feel special. Like putting their arm around you to keep you warm. Looking at you with their eyes filled with love. You stop to watch the sunset together, feeling the warm glow of the sun on your face and the peace and tranquility of the moment. You feel a deep connection between you and your partner, knowing that they are the one for you and you are the one for them. You take a stroll together along the beach, talking about everything and anything. You feel their love and support, and you know that they understand you and accept you for who you are, with all your past, your temper, and emotions. And you completely accept them. You love and play together, feeling carefree and happy. Now it is completely dark. You find a quiet spot on the beach to sit and watch the stars. You cuddle up close to your partner, feeling their warmth and love surrounding you. You feel safe and secure in their arms, and you know that they will always be there for you, and they show it with their actions. As you continue to spend time with your partner, doing simple things together, like cooking or traveling, or maybe just watching TV and cuddling. You feel grateful and blessed to have them in your life. And you not just feel, but know that they feel the same. You always talk about your feelings and emotions to let them know how you feel. And even if you argue a little bit, you easily solve your problems through the dialogue. And your relationship gets better and better with each day. Because you know that you chose them and they chose you, and you are a family, and you will love each other for the rest of your lives. You feel happy, loved, and fulfilled, knowing that you have found your soulmate. When you're ready, take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed, and know that your perfect partner is coming. You will attract them into your life at the right time. Trust the process and continue listening to this meditation. You can also listen to my other meditations so you can change the other aspects of your life to better. But if you really want to meet your perfect partner, you have to listen to this meditation not once, but as often as you can. And don't forget to come back and tell me if you met your perfect partner, and share this meditation with your friends. Namaste.